Being a Generation Z boy, I always grew up hearing that old is gold and how new songs can't catch up to the level of old songs. But I always stood for the new songs and was always ignorant of this criticism. Well, there's a tendency that old people will like old songs because they spent their whole lives listening to them, and new generation will not like such songs because they have listened very little of it. I was like this also till I started listening more old songs, courtesy my father and grandfather. At first, I was like, this is not bad, and then I felt how great some old songs are. One thing all these songs have is that impeccable lyrics, the writing of which conveys something meaningful. Well, now let's fast forward to some of the recent songs that are facing criticism for their lyrics. I saw the song Booty Shake for this purpose only, and I was bamboozled by how repetitive a song lyric can be.
लग रहा तौबा 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 थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
This is the same Tony Kakkad who wrote the lyrics of Mile Ho Tum Humko. And I still believe that he can write and compose some good songs, but the problem with him is that he is now overly obsessed with this so called pop style of singing. It all started when these songs of him started getting loved by fans because of the catchy beats and music. But you can't literally do that to your every song. Tony Kakkad now seriously need to make a song which make people forget his songs like Booty Shake and make them remember his Mile Ho Tum Humko. Pop music was of 90s man. I'm not a 90s kid, but songs of Alicia Chinay, Bombay Vikings, Euphoria, and Lucky Ali are some of the best I have heard. This is what Indian pop industry should sound like. Made in India, Kya Surat Hai, O Sanam. You just can't get enough of these songs. Pure gem. Let's not get into this nostalgia. But is Tony Kakkar the only one to blame? No. There are literally many such singers out there, and one of them is Badshah. Indian rapper, or just some random person out there writing songs like a friend of mine used to write in 8th class only to get the page torn by a teacher. तेरी मम्मी की जय क्या चीज बनाई.
भाईजान कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
His songs Genda Fool has over 750 million views, and he's doing latak jhatak over the whole song while Jacqueline is just dancing to the tunes. It has now become a trend in most of the solo albums. Take a good dancer, make her dance, and just sing anything. This is it. I'm not criticizing such songs as I liked some of such songs like Nah because it entertains you. But when you literally make every song like this, it becomes too much. Here Amiwe Banta hai, Machayenge and Fir se Machayenge rather than any of Basha and Yo-Yo Honey Singh new releases. It will at least entertain you. Honey Singh sure was once at his peak with Blue Eyes and also Dheere Dheere, but now is losing his golden touch. My favorite rap song of India till date is gotta be Panthra of Divine. It's not like we have lost all the talent. It's just that a certain teen section like these kind of songs and their wishes are getting fulfilled by Booty Shake. But there are us also who though are teen think all this a crap. There are good singers in current time too in Arijit Singh, Arman Malik, Amit Trivedi and others. Look, nobody is bad. Everyone has sung some good while some not so good songs. But don't you guys miss Mohit Chauhan, KK, Shan, Sonu Nigam, and Kailash K's voice? I don't know why these singers don't get more songs nowadays. Mohit Chauhan in Rockstar, KK as Imran Hashmi's voice in the songs, some of which were only good for listening, Shan and Sonu Nigam singing romantic songs, and unmatchable energy of Kailash Kher. This is what I want from Bollywood. Well, the singing is just one aspect of a song. Another important one is the lyrics. Believe me, as a kid, you don't pay much heed to the lyrics of a song. If it has good beats, you'll start murmuring it with your very own improvised lyrics. But as you grow older, you realize that this is one damn thing without which a song is just music. With some exceptions, lyrics nowadays are losing their essence. Teri Mitti was one rare gem written by Manoj Muntashir. Nowadays, most of the songs have ladki or daru in their lyrics. This said, take a look at these lyrics written by Irshad Kamil. This para is present in Nadan Parinde of Rockstar. The writing of this is heavenly. The meaning of these lines is, O crow, my only request is that you may eat the flesh of my body, but do not eat my eyes. Do not eat my eyes as I wish to see my lover one last time. Isn't this great? Well, summing up, we have the talent we need. It's just that this talent need to stop with this pop and rap crap and should try something good so that the youth of this generation can say the same thing to the next generation which they have been listening कि बेटा गाने तो हमारे ज़माने में हुआ करते थे. That was the video, guys. If you liked it, smash that like. Comment down below your favorite singer of the current generation. Subscribe for more related content and do share it with your friends and family. Peace out.